Hello, children. I'm Sagarika, your teacher. I'm going to start with a new chapter called Place Value. First of all, you need to think how a numbers is formed. Any random numbers. Alright. So the any numbers it is formed with the help of place values. Okay. लेट्स टेक फॉर एग्जाम्पल एनी काइंड ऑफ डिजिट यू टेक आप कोई भी दो डिजिट ले लो सपोज 5 and 3 ये हमारे दो डिजिट्स हैं अब अगर मैंने आपको कहा कि इनमें से आप एक नंबर फॉर्म करो सो हाउ विल यू फॉर्म so you're going to form it by placing it in a position, right? So there are places while forming a number. So what are the places? The places are ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and like on. So for that 5 and 3 will be placed in such a way that it will form a number. So I'll demonstrate it in a written way so that you will understand it how the number is formed, and then gradually we'll go with the place value. Suppose there are two digits which is given to you. Now I will ask you to form any numbers out of this. तो आप इसमें कितने numbers बना सकते हो? You can make 53, you can make 35. What is the difference? The difference is you are placing it in a respective places. Now what are the places, what are the place chart we use for forming a number is, यहाँ पे हमारे पास दो नंबर हैं तो ones, tens, 100. This is how we make a place chart. यहाँ पे अगर 5 and 3 is a digit that is given, if I put 5 and 3 like this, it turns up to be 53. 53 कैसे? Because 5 का जो place है वो tens में है and it becomes 5. 5 is a number and which place it is? It is playing in the tens place. So hence the value of this is 50. What is the value of 3 over here? The value of 3 is in the ones place. So it gets multiplied with the number because I need to find out the place value of it. The place is ones but the value will be 3 into 1 which is equal to 3. So what is and how the number is formed? The 50 plus 3. 50 plus 3 that makes it to 53. So how we have arrived to 53? By adding the place values of this number. Now I will take the number 35. So 35 के लिए I will put 3 in the tens column and 5 in the ones column. 3 का place value कितना बनेगा? 3 is in the tens place. So 3 into 10 will give me 30 and 5 is in the ones place. So 5 into 1 will give me 5. Now I will add this to it becomes 35. So now my place values are 30 and 5 and the number forms is 35. Let's say a number 278. Now if I ask you what is the place value of the number 2, what will you say? Okay, so how will I say what is the place value? First I have to see what are the places that they are lying on. This is a ones place, this is a tens place, this is a 100 place. Now ये 100 के place में है and what is the number that it has? 2. What is the place? 100. So what is the place value? That will be 200. This is called as place value of 2. Now what is the place value of 7? 7 is lying on tens place. So I am going to write it as 10. That becomes 70. 70 is the place value. 8 is lying in the ones place. So it is 1. Now it is the place value. How the number is formed? By adding all these you will be getting as 278. And remember these, this and this added in this form. 200 plus 70 plus 8, 278. This form is also called as expanded form of a number. Expanded form of a number. So now I'll give you one question to solve in the comment and just tell me what is the answer. Find out the place values of 638. Find the place value of 6, 3 and 8.